Hey guys and girls, so in this video right here, I'm going to walk you through how to actually go through and pull out all the images. So we're going to start out over here looking on the side right here, and we have all our sections already mapped out into different folders, and basically we're going to start getting all the images out of here. So first thing we will do is that we'll come down, go to hero, click on this. Make sure you're pushing control when you push each one. So control on the logo because we want the logo. We also need the background from here. So let's go ahead and do banner. We'll do the actual folder so we get the whole banner, which would be the background with the opacity over it and the transparency. So let's go down to experience. So let's close this one for now. I was actually just gonna leave that open for we can keep watching it. So in this one, we need to get this one. All we really need is one of these, and these four right here, these images. So we can get, because this is feature one right here. We can push control, icon. We have that. Then let's go down here to the items right here, and let's do right there, icon, icon, and get that. Okay, so we have those. And then we don't really need the background on that one. Scroll down a little bit. And then we're also, for this one, this is the main, basically benefits main service one. This one just written out wrong. All we need is one of these icons for this. And if we were doing a bigger one, you would need all of these. So let's go. So feature one, icon. That's all we need. So the about, we need this image right here. So make sure you're pushing control. And we do, this is the about. And this is the image right here. So we have the image. So control, click on it. Next thing, we need our services, and we need these four right here. So open our services. Make sure you click in the triangle, not the. If you click on the folder, then basically it's gonna revert all your changes up here. So make sure you're only clicking on the icons. So basically, we need for this one, we need the image. So let's go through here, and we'll do control, image, control, image. Open these items up, control, image. On this one, and actually on this one we're actually gonna unclick that one, so control again and click this image so we can get it better, because we don't want this part coming up. So we do item 4, same thing, image. So now that's the navigation portion. We need one of these from our services. Click the arrow. Don't left click onto anything else. And we need one of these icons. So let's get this icon. So right click. Get that. Right click with the control, holding the control down. Then for this one we don't need anything, and for these we only need one of these, because then we can just clone it out across. So call to action, we don't need that. And then testimonial, we need just one of the images. So client image. So we have that. And then you're going to get this one too, just in case. Sometimes they come out funky. So we're going down here, and we don't need really any of these items at all right here, because we're going to do this in JavaScript. So basically we have everything we really need right now. We're going to hover over to one of the ones that we have selected already right here and do export as, and then came up on this side of the computer. Okay, so if you see this right here, we didn't really need this portion, so we can remove that part. But we're still gonna print that part out. Right now we get the logo, hero parts. We don't really need this right here, but we'll keep that up for right now. And then we have all of these elements that we have. So we have these right here, all of them, as you can see. And we really need to go back and get the other image. So let's go back out here and grab that image next. We've seen that one came up with the background over it. So that is in our team. Okay. Testimonials. We go too far. Right above call to action. Client testimonials, call to action. And then we have 1, 2, 3. That's our services. And we have this image right here. Let's go back up and see if we still have that. Oh, that's a problem right there. We don't need the hero section up here. So uncheck that one. And then let's go click on any of them with the control. So click on any of them with the control and do the right click. And then we do export as so we can see all of them. And then that should remove this one at the top. We have our banner. This image right here is actually faded out. It seems like on there. We're going to try one more thing in case you have the same issue again. Basically, you can go back down to the image underneath experience on that one. And as we can look and see. We're going to do control on this one. See if that one comes out better than the one before. Open this up to see if we need anything come out of there. No. Actually, I'm going to grab these. So control all of these and click down. And then we'll see if this comes out. If it doesn't, then we'll use a different image. And this is when you have some issues pulling stuff off, but that's okay because you can just reach out to the person who designed it as well. So let's click on one of them with control. So we're going to do control, and then we're going to do we're going to right click, we're going to do export as. Now we should see all the images come up here. It's pretty simple. It's not really hard to do this portion. As you see, and you see none of these really came out the way we wanted them to, but we just got those icons. So we're going to go ahead and just export all of these out. I would say I do like to export them twice the size, and that's really just me because it just makes it a little bit easier for me, because in case you're scaling stuff out, so you have the biggest version that you can have. So let's do export all. Let's go to this right here. Go to our files, assets, images, and we have the folder. And we're going to export everything in there. And as you see over here, we have our images right here. Images are right here and they're loading up. And basically we have all the images out of the PSD. It's really simple. As you guys can see, we have everything out of there, and we can use these inside of our when we actually create the website. And basically just everything we do with Photoshop, we're going to be glancing back and forth to get some other stuff situated correctly, but for the most part, getting the fonts out, getting the colors out, getting the images out, getting the sizes and padding and margin out, and really just getting all that information out is going to do basically almost everything we really need. And this is going to give us all the tools we really need to go through. Now, if you're working with other designers who have done this a lot more before, they'll actually give you all of that stuff, and you won't have to do any of this part right here. And then you can literally start creating your CSS and everything like that, and just start getting everything together and creating your HTML.